Hello, friends. In the world of decentralized finance, technology is rapidly changing the way users interact with financial instruments. Today, there are many platforms and protocols that promise transparency, accessibility, and freedom in asset management. However, new challenges are emerging along the way. From high fees to difficulties with cross-chain transactions and limited profit opportunities. Today, you will learn a little more about a game-changing project. Superform is a universal yield marketplace, or more precisely, it is a DeFi protocol that provides users and protocols with a powerful set of tools for managing revenue and transactions between different blockchain networks. It is a set of smart contracts that work without storing data and are not subject to updating. Superform solves the main problems of DeFi by creating a two-way marketplace for efficient sourcing, execution, and yield management across different blockchains. The main functions of Superform. Users can deposit or withdraw funds from any network in a single transaction without the need for RPC changes or token exchanges. This avoids the difficulties of moving assets between blockchains. Protocols can add their storages, ERC-4626 compliant, to the Superform platform without permission, providing access to them for users from different blockchain networks. Cross-chain transactions using multiple arbitrary message bridges, AMBs, such as Layer 0, Hyperlane, Wormhole, and others. This allows users to transfer messages and tokens between blockchains without any problems. Superform automates the management of a portfolio of profits, allowing users to conveniently manage their assets, carry out complex transactions, and generate profits without the need for manual intervention. Superpositions. After making a deposit, the user receives a superposition, ERC-1155, which is a tokenized representation of his or her share in the vault. These superpositions can be exchanged for the main stake in the vault or used as liquidity in the markets. For example, a protocol such as PWN has already integrated Superform. The integration currently works on Ethereum, Optimism, Arbitrum, Polygon, Base, and BSC. What is possible with this integration? Lending against yielding deposits. Users can now use superpositions as collateral for loans on PWN. This allows them to obtain liquidity against the yielding deposits in Superform vaults without giving up the yield they generate. Also, flexible lending terms, security without liquidations, and combining assets. Introducing superpools. L1 yields for L2 gas. Superpools on Superform allow users to access lucrative opportunities on Ethereum from other networks L2 at a minimal cost, by eliminating the need for bridging between blockchains. How it works. Superpools are liquidity pools that contain tokenized profitable positions, superpositions, and other assets, e.g. USDC. When a user wants to receive profitable tokens from another network, instead of making a bridge, he simply swaps his assets for superpositions in the corresponding superpool. For example, a user on an L2, such as Arbitrum or Base, can simply swap their tokens for superpositions that reflect the profit on Ethereum. Main benefits: transaction savings, up to 99% reduction in cost per swap compared to traditional bridges. Ease of access to profits. Users no longer need to create bridges between networks themselves. Opportunity for liquidity providers to earn through trading commissions and profits from positions. And thanks to the integration of such protocols and bridges as Layer 0, Wormhole, Hyperlane, dBridge, LeFi, and Socket, users get the best experience. Superform makes DeFi not only profitable, but also fun. Meet Superform Safari, a gamified program designed to reward users who interact with the Superform platform. Safari allows users to earn XP, yield, and NFTs by participating in tournaments, competing for rankings, and collecting special NFTs called Super Friends. The main elements of Superform Safari: tournaments and XP, users who make deposits through Superform, and have a superposition earn XP in proportion to the value of their assets. The more XP, the higher the ranking in the leaderboard. Each tournament lasts up to 30 days, and 6 tournaments are planned in the first season. At the end of each tournament, a snapshot is taken to evaluate the tournament experience, which affects the rewards. Super Friends NFT. Super Friends are collectible NFTs in the form of animals that users collect for participating in tournaments. They are minted on the base network. Each tournament unlocks a new Super Friend. For example, the first tournament rewards Super Chad, the wildest of all animals. Super Friends mechanics. By saving Super Friends, users increase their XP with multipliers. The multipliers depend on the level of Super Friend that can be achieved after tournaments. For example, if a user earns Gold level Super Friend, they are eligible to mint Gold, Silver, and Bronze Super Friend. Super Friends can be sold, traded, or upgraded through Forge. Users can level up their Super Friends if they have 5 identical Super Friends of the same type and level. 5 Super Friends are burned to create one of a higher level. Friends list. If a user collects all Super Friends of the same level, their XP doubles. A higher level of Friends list increases the overall multiplier. Rewards and role in Discord. Super Friends holders also receive exclusive Discord roles that reflect their achievements in Safari tournaments. By the way, Superform is not only about technology, but also about a community that is mega cool, active, and interesting. Join Discord Superform and become a part of a big family. You will not be bored, because such activities as Super Quiz, Poker Tournament, Meme, Stiker, and Video Contest are regularly held. And at the moment, Super September is over, and participants have received rewards. More than 200,000 people have trusted Superform, along with Polychain Capital, Circle, Maven 11 Capital, Brian Pellegrino, and Arthur Hayes, all of whom understand the problem the project solves and the benefits the team brings by creating such a project. Well, now you have discovered something new. On this good note, I bid you farewell, and remember, Superform, the universal yield marketplace.